Once upon a time, there was a wizard that had a cat, and that wizard was me. This is the story of how the cat flees, because the cat is a cowardly cat, and the cat is really cowardly. See, the cat just fled. Wow, really cowardly cat. Really cowardly. As you can see, the cowardly cat looks at me. The camera, she can see the camera. I need to get down. A dog has attacked the cat. The cat has ran. I don't think this is going good for the cat. Oh my gosh, the cat underneath the bed. The cat. I don't think this is going good. Another dog attacks the cat. What are the chances? Oh my gosh. The cat looks at the camera. Very wondering. The cat attacks. The cat walks back in fear of the human. The predator, the natural predator of the cat. I will kill the cat. I will get that cat. The natural predator of the cat zooms in. I threw my cat at the cat. Oh no, the cat attacked me. I'm going to kill it. I'm going to get that cat. The cat is wondering what she should do right now. She's tired. She doesn't know what to do when there's a person next to you. The cat runs. Oh, and the cat makes a run for it, for chasing humans. Oh no, the cat. Nature documentary. This is the cat. The nature documentary. Pause 1. I need to get out of the cat's natural habitat. The bed. It's trying to get me.